In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish site in Framer. If you need to take a site offline without deleting your work, unpublishing is the safest way to do it. This removes the live version from the web while keeping your project files, pages, and settings intact inside Framer. It's useful when you're making major edits, pausing a campaign, or archiving a site temporarily. First, open your browser and go to framer.com. Sign in if you're prompted to. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and open the project you want to take offline. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the project canvas, where your pages and design elements are visible. Make sure you've selected the correct project, especially if you manage multiple sites in the same workspace. Next, look to the top right corner of the project interface and click Settings. This opens the project level settings, not your account settings. Inside the project settings, find and select the General section. General is where Framer keeps core options related to your project identity and publishing status, so this is the place we need. Now scroll down through the General settings until you see the Unpublish option. It might be grouped near other publishing controls or in a section often labeled for advanced or irreversible actions. Click Unpublish. Framer will ask you to confirm because this action takes your site offline. Confirm the choice, and Framer will begin unpublishing. After this, your site will no longer load at its Framer URL or any connected custom domain. Don't worry, your project isn't deleted. All your pages and assets remain in the editor, ready for future updates or republish. A few helpful notes as this completes. If you had a custom domain connected, DNS settings you've configured elsewhere remain as they are, but the site content won't be served by Framer anymore. Visitors may see a not found page or a placeholder, and it can take a short time for caching or CDNs to reflect the change everywhere. If you ever need the site back online, you can publish again from the same project using the publish controls or by returning to this general area. If you don't see the settings option, you might not have the right permissions for this project or workspace, so check with the project owner. And remember, unpublishing is different from deleting a project. It simply removes the live version while preserving your work. That's it. Quick, clean, and safely reversible. Thanks for watching, and happy building.